this is so unlike you. You're usually so active. I think it's time we go to the vet. Hello. I have an appointment for Comet this morning.
Yes, Miss Mason, we have you ready in exam room 1. It's right down the hall. The doctor will be in shortly.
Thank you.
Hi, what seems to be the problem with Comet today?
Well, he's very fatigued after exercise. He's losing weight. He's not eating very well. And he has a persistent mild cough.
Well, it sounds like he has symptoms of heartworm. Is he on preventative?
No, he's not on any preventative.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and take Comet back and get some blood work on him, probably an x-ray, and then we'll take it from there.
Okay.
Come on, Comet. Okay, Miss Mason, here's Comet.
Hello.
I'm sorry to tell you, but Comet is actually tested positive for heartworms. We did a quick in-lab snap test, which is where we put just a drop of blood on a test, and it's going to take up the proteins that the heartworms release, and it can tell you whether it's a positive or negative test. So we're going to want to run further tests and just submit them to the lab. Do you know any information about heartworms?
No, I don't know any information about them.
Okay, well, I'm going to share some information with you.
Heartworms are part of the phylum Nematoda, which are often called roundworms. They possess a pseudocoelom and lack features such as cilia and a well-defined head. The name Nematoda is derived from the Greek word nema, meaning thread, describing the worm's long and narrow body. They have no circulatory or respiratory system and only have longitudinal muscles, meaning they move by a whipping motion. They can be free-living or parasitic. The heartworm is a parasite and lives in the heart, lung, and associated blood vessels of its host. Their species name is Dirofilaria immitis. The definitive host is the dog, but it can also infect cats, wolves, coyotes, foxes, and other animals such as ferrets, sea lions, and even under rare circumstances, humans.
So how did he get infected? I don't understand.
Adult female heartworms produce microscopic filaria.
When a dog or other suitable host has a mature heartworm infection, female worms release these young directly into the animal's bloodstream. When a susceptible mosquito bites an animal with microfilaria in the blood, it ingests the microfilaria along with the blood. Over the following 10 to 14 days, these microfilaria develop and mature into infective larvae inside the mosquito. When the mosquito bites another dog, the larvae are left behind to enter the fresh wound. In 6 to 7 months, these microscopic larvae migrate to the heart and vessels of the lungs, where they can grow up to a foot long. The larvae also become sexually mature and produce microfilaria of their own, which are available in the dog's blood to other mosquitoes. Because heartworms may live for 5 to 7 years in the dog, each mosquito season can lead to an ever-increasing number of worms in unprotected dogs. Although easy to prevent, heartworm disease continues to be a major health problem for dogs living in the United States and throughout the temperate and tropical regions of the world.
Okay, Doc, where do we go from here?
We will confirm your dog's heartworm by sending a blood test out to the diagnostic lab. Then we're going to restrict Comet's exercise and start a treatment plan. The most common drug used to treat heartworms is melarsoline hydrochloride. So I'm going to send you and Comet off to a hospital that has the treatment, and I'll see you back here in 6 months for a checkup. Welcome back, Miss Mason and Comet. I checked your blood work, and it looks like Comet is heartworm free. Do you have him on preventative yet?
No, he's not on a preventative yet, but now I know how important it is, and I want to get him on the best one out there.
Heartworm medication can be given as a pill, injection, or topical ointment, as long as they are approved medications that kill the larval stage of heartworms. This is important to give on time in a strict schedule because otherwise the larval stages will mature into adults. There are many options for heartworm medication, such as Iverheart, HeartGuard, and Revolution. I can give you more pamphlets and information on these types for you to look over. Looks like he's going to be just fine. We'll have him in for an annual check to make sure he has no heartworms, but other than that, I can send you on your way.